Alright guys, so once you've created the account with Amazon.com, the next thing you're gonna do is proceed to Amazon.kdp and and sign in with your account information so you continue completing the account info. So this is the browser I'm using for this. So I'm gonna search kdp.amazon.com, then click on sign in. So this is my signing details. You that created the account, know your email and password. So they'll ask for code right now. They'll ask for code, and once if they ask for, they didn't ask me, but if they ask for code, you just have to go to your authenticator app and generate it. So if they ask for code, you just have to go to your authenticator app and generate it. So what you're gonna do right now is that they say you should complete your account information. So you click on this, your account on here. Here is it. Click on it. So they now ask for code. So I'm gonna go to my authenticator app, copy the code and paste it. So I won't be needing the code from my phone number anymore. So remember I said if you have an account already and you want to set it up to a foreign account, when I get to a part, like when I get to the part of the video you need to focus, I will tell you. So at this point you have to focus. Right, so if you want to change your information to foreign KDP account, the things that makes it a KDP foreign account is this address on here. Alright, just the address on here, this address you're seeing here. So once you get the address right, and your the address you have on here will also be the same thing with the address you have in your permanent address. So when we get to that part, I'll also tell you. And in your country of citizenship, you can do anything on there. You can do Indonesia or wherever, or you can also use the same address used on here on your country of citizenship site. So no issues, but it depends on the country, or it depends on the country you need, and different KDP foreign account is not the same price in verification. All right, so that's one thing you should consider. But I think Indonesia, Australia is very cheap, and they enjoy treaty benefit. That they enjoy treaty benefit too. So let me start setting up. So if you want to change your KDP Nigerian account to foreign account, here is the part you focus on. All right, so I've gotten to the part you start implementing the video. So what you're gonna do, right, is you get your information, get your full name. The information you'll be working now is the information in your bank account, and the address. I'll show you how to get address, and again phone number. You cannot make use of the phone number you used in creating the account. You can use any phone number of any country you're creating the account here. So let me say you're using Australia, or you want to use United Kingdom or US. You can use US number for here, or you want to use Spain. You can use Spain phone number here, even though the number you used in creating the account is US line. So it doesn't matter. They won't ask for verification again. Start getting the informations I need on your boys. First thing I will do is, like, I will get the bank information and paste somewhere. So you by now you would have created KickPay and Save account and paste and save in your document. So that's the first information I'm gonna consider saving right now. So I'll move to my KickPay or NSave and copy my account details, share and paste it in my document. So this is my bank details. So I'll show you guys where you will locate these bank details in your account. So this is my bank details on right here. So next thing I'll do is, like, I'll generate the address I want to use for that KDP account. So how do I do it? I'll go to my other browser, then search for, I wanted to use Spain. All right, Spain, fake Spain address. Hope you are getting it. So I'll generate now. You see the first link I clicked on. So if you can't get this pen address, you can, sometimes it might not be working on the phone. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. I've shown you guys my WhatsApp number. The number I told you guys to call if you need a foreign number, any number of your choice, is also my WhatsApp line. So you can send me a message on WhatsApp about it, so I can get you one. So I'll copy, see where I stopped copying. I'll copy and paste on here too. Then the next thing I'm gonna do right now is that I want to verify the country code. Just do everything as I'm doing it. I want to verify the country code, the state, city, and the country this bank address is. So I have to copy it and move to my ChatGPT and get that one done. So this is what I'm gonna do. If you have other browser, you can sign up with ChatGPT, but I like using Brave for my ChatGPT. That's why I am doing it here. So I will ask this question. Please tell me the country. So what I'm doing, state, city, and postal code in this address. That's what I'm doing. You paste the address. Okay. Okay, let me get the address this way. Okay. Okay, this is how it should be. If you don't get it this way, you make sure you just paste it somewhere else and send. Right, so it's gonna give it to me. I'll copy it address, copy it this way, then save to my document again. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing, and you guys are learning something from it. This is well explained, so I don't see any reason why you should be asking me questions concerning this again, because I explained it very well. Alright, just calm down and watch it, you understand it. So this is the only thing I need to create the account, and just to set the account up, these are the things I need. So once I finish setting the account up, they will not ask me to verify. So what's your first name? From your bank account details, you use the name you are seeing there. So you see what I'm doing, copy, then add it in your first name. So here is it here. My full name. So that's my full name. So address, country, remember I said Spain. So if you're doing Indonesia, there's a lot of country you can do, but I bet you it's not all the countries seen on here accept or enjoy strict benefits from Amazon. So some of them do pay 30% tax rate, but countries I will mention above is something that doesn't pay, or you can just stick to Spain. Spain is perfectly working. So postal code from the address we generated. Our postal code, remember this is the address we generated. Our postal code is this. So you'll be doing it gradually like this, state, state and province. So the next thing is here. Doing it gradually like this. I believe you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So city, our city right now is this one. Address one. See our address one here. State is the address. Just copy and paste. Then ask us date of birth. So date of birth, just use anything you want. It's not a must you use your date of birth since it's a fake. You KDP account. So remember, follow me the way I'm doing this thing. My name, I use my real name. I didn't use my fake name, or I didn't use any nickname on there. But address, I mean on date of birth, I can just select any random thing on here and use. I can just do anything. Alright, so it doesn't matter. So phone number. So let me check if what we copied phone number is on mark. Alright, see the phone number here. So I'll copy the phone number and know that Spain is plus 34. Spain is plus 34. As Nigeria is plus 234, Spain is plus 34. Then now paste the number I copied. So like this, now I'm done with this first page. You save and continue. They'll ask you to check if this address is a real address. So you can just make sure it's the original address you select on here. Alright, don't let them suggest for you. Okay, I confirm. Then we'll move to banking information. So this is the banking. Where is your bank? Remember, from this address, I don't know where my bank is. It's barely looking from this. But some of you that have sense, immediately you see this London here, you know that is United Kingdom. But with this help, I asked ChatGPT to give me the country, city, and the rest of the things in this. So it generated the country, the addresses, which is United Kingdom. So United Kingdom is our address. Alright, so you now start adding our bank account details. So type of bank, you should leave it as checking. A bank number, here is your IBAN number from your bank. So IBAN number is this. You copy it, then you paste it on here. Your big code is also like your Swift code, which is this. That's why you see big code / Swift code. So you copy it and you paste on here. Then they now ask you your date of birth. Remember the date of birth you used. Alright, date of birth is 3/03/2023 2003. So account holder name, you still copy your full name here and paste. I believe you guys are following me the way I'm doing it. Next thing you now do is and they'll ask you to select existing address, which is the address in the first page we inputted, which is pen address, or enter a new address. But we are not going to select an existing address because our bank is in United Kingdom, but our account address is Spain. So the bank address you should put here is account, is the address that your bank account is, unless the bank account don't have address, because most of them don't used to have address. Then you now use select existing address. But if your bank account have address, you do enter a new address. So the address, some bank don't issue this address you're seeing on here. So once you don't have it here, you use existing address, and there's no need of generating this thing once the bank don't have address. But this one have it, so we use the address we have on here. So our country bank is United Kingdom. The address is this. Alright, United Kingdom. State is England, city is London, postal code is this. So let me go and input everything here. Country, United Kingdom. Address, I'll paste this thing. City, London, right? State, England. Then postal code is this one. Hope we understand. This is not the postal code. I'll paste it here. Then I'll now use this address. Alright. So you see how I did it. Use this address. Then you now come and do add. then now save. So once we are done, next page is tax information side. So here is not even hard at all. So complete tax in profile. Let me complete tax profile. So where is your tax? Leave it as business. This first one, they ask where is your tax classification business. Are you a say no? Then are you acting as say no? Then see your identity here. So they now ask you to select your country of citizenship. So here, if you like, you can select anything you want, but make sure you are selecting a country that and okay. Here, if you like, you can select any country you want, but I would advise you to select Indonesia, Spain, or Australia. But if you have money to pay for Spain ID card, you can select Spain account on here, because Spain ID card, I guess Spain ID card is over to 15 to 20,000, and Indonesia ID card is just 7 to 10k. So anyone you want, you can do. Some of you would like to select Spain here so that the account address is Spain and the spam and the country of citizenship will also be Spain, making it look kind of authentic without any suspicious stuff. But if you want to select Indonesia, it's also cool and no issues. There's no problem. So what you're gonna do right here is like you're gonna look for address. For the purpose of this video, I'll do Indonesia. So let me find Indonesia one here and select. It is Indonesia here. So I've selected it. So permanent address. Your permanent address should be the country you have in the account address, which is Spain. Permanent address. If the first page where you input your phone number, your date of birth, and your full name, if that first page is USA, here also should be USA. Right? So permanent address should be the first address you selected before you reach to your bank setup site. So you should have Spain on here. So once you add it, you now edit this bank address again. This is your address you have in your bank, so we don't need it here. You have to use this address again on there. They ask for street, which is this. Street is this. They now ask for city or town, which is this. Now ask for state. So they now ask for zip code. So what you're gonna try here is identification. So look at the suggestions they give you in this tax number, in this Spain tax number. So these are the suggestions they give you. Let me say something. You might be seeing this thing I doing here as fake, because I'll still create a fake identity and verify this account. Alright, because you don't have a Spain ID card. So you might be seeing this thing as fake, but trust me, it's not fake on Amazon. And Amazon will never terminate your account because of fake identity. Alright, this is what we've been doing. We've studied it and it's perfectly working. I have over a year, 2 years account using this procedure that is still working. It's still active. So what you're gonna use on your CD suggestion they give you, the first one is 99999A, N999A, and K999A. So use that suggestion and input your own digit. So you can't deny you have on here, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 nines. Then you have a, it means that you can use any random figure up to 8. Then you now use a capital A. Watch me. Okay, watch what I do right now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8. Then capital A. You see what I did? So you now use continue. Then next thing is confirm. The next thing is save and preview. So you click on this confirm. I know it will happen. Click on it, then say continue again, then confirm, save and preview. It will take me to my W8 pen to sign in. So to sign the form, so you click on certified, then you now input your full name. Once you input your full name, you are done setting the account. Copy and input your full name. So due to Amazon is now asking to verify your account. Once you click on submit one and exit interview, they will ask you to verify the account instantly. So you can just come to me. You can just come to me and we'll verify the account for you. ASAP. It doesn't take time. All right. I'll verify. You see, there is an issue with your identity. To access KDP features, please verify identity. Click on this verify identity on here. So you can always come to me. I'll get you an ID card that will use and verify this pen account. Alright, so you start publishing immediately. If you don't create your account this way, Amazon will continue blocking your book because Amazon don't accept books published on Nigerians account again. So they have asked us to verify our account. So just come to me. I will verify the KDP account for you. Alright, so I verify KDP account. I do verify KDP account. Like see it on here. I verify KDP account. I don't charge too much. You can read it out. You can see it. So just call to me. I will verify the account for you. So thank you for staying up to this end of the video. I believe you've understood and learned how to create Amazon KDP account, foreign KDP account precisely as of recent. Alright, so see you in the next video.